بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine at your homes. I am Miss Maria Faruqi. I am here to deliver you a lecture 2. Today we will start lesson 13, which is early people. Open your books at page 77. Keep your pencil in your hand. You will find some new words in this lesson. Underline them. Before we start our lesson, we will recall our previous knowledge. You have learned about some of the subject you study in school. In social studies, you learn about geography and history. History tells you about what happened long ago. You learn in history how people lived, how cities grew, and how people moved from one place to another. You also learn in this subject about what great people did. Now come to the lesson number 30. You will learn about early humans, how they lived, their activities, their inventions, tools and weapons of ancient times, different ages. We do not know exactly when human life began. Scientists tell that it was over 1 million years ago. अर्ली पीपल से मुराद वो कदीम इंसान हैं जो आज से हज़ारों साल पहले ज़मीन पर मौजूद थे। इन लोगों के बारे में हमें जो मालूमात मिली हैं वो इनकी चीज़ों से मिली हैं, यानी उन लोगों की हड्डियाँ, उनके बर्तन, उनके टूल्स और इवन उनके हाथ की बनाई हुई पेंटिंग्स। और इन मिलने वाली चीज़ों से साइंटिस्ट हमें उनके लाइफ स्टाइल के बारे में बताते हैं। एंड यू नो इन साइंटिस्ट को क्या कहा जाता है? दे आर कॉल्ड आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट। द स्टडी ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आर वेरी ओल्ड इज कॉल्ड आर्कियोलॉजी and the study of humankind is called anthropology. They lived in natural caves to protect themselves from sun, rain, wind, and wild animals. They covered themselves with large leaves of trees. They also used the skin of animals to cover their bodies. Some cave paintings of early people. They did not know farming, so they spent most of their time looking for food. They ate mostly plants, fruits, nuts, and roots. They used stones to kill small animals and ate their raw flesh. Raw flesh यानी कच्चा गोश्त। क्योंकि उन लोगों में कुकिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था, वो फूड को रॉ फॉर्म में खाते थे। उसकी एक वजह यह भी थी कि उन्होंने अभी आग बनाना नहीं सीखा था। उन्होंने आग को देखा ज़रूर था, कहीं आसमानी बिजली गिरने की सूरत में कभी जंगल में आग लगी हो, मगर वो उस वक्त तक आग से डरते थे। आग के बारे में ख्याल किया जाता है कि स्टोन्स या स्टिक्स को आपस में रब करने से अचानक से आग जली और इस तरह इंसान ने आग बनाना सीख लिया। उसकी रोशनी को रात के अंधेरे में इस्तेमाल किया, उसकी गर्मी के ज़रिए खुद को ठंड से बचाया और जंगली जानवरों को भगाने और उनको शिकार करने के लिए आग का इस्तेमाल किया, क्योंकि वो जानते थे कि जानवर आग से डरते हैं। अर्ली ह्यूमन यूज्ड द लिवर फॉर मूविंग हैवी स्टोन्स। हैवी स्टोन्स या हैवी लोड्स को या भारी पत्थरों को मूव करने के लिए उन लोगों ने लीवर का इस्तेमाल किया। लीवर एक रॉड होती है जिसको वजन के एक साइड पे रख के दूसरी साइड से पुश किया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से वो हैवी लोड अपनी जगह से मूव कर जाता है। अर्ली ह्यूमन मस्ट हैव सीन राउंड logs of wood rolling down a hill. They realized that round things could move much more easily on land. From this they get the idea of wheel. Thus the wheel was invented. Soon they invented an axle as well. Early people used stones with sharp edges to dig out roots and hunt animals. They also used animal horns and bones as tool. They learned to make spears by tying a sharp stone to a wooden stick to hunt wild animals. They also learned how to make pots out of clay. शुरू में जो मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाए वो ज़्यादा मजबूत ना थे, जल्द टूट जाते थे। ख्याल किया जाता है कि किसी दिन बाय चांस कोई बर्तन आग में गिर गया होगा और इस तरह उन्होंने ये सीखा कि अगर मिट्टी के बर्तन को आग में पका लिया जाए तो उसको ज़्यादा देर पा बनाया जा सकता है। Early history is divided into different periods or ages. These periods are named after the materials used for making tools and weapons. Different ages: the Stone Age, the Bronze Age, the Copper Age, the Iron Age. Activity: make some models of early tools, weapons, and pots. I hope you have understood this lesson. Now we will do question answers of this lesson. Question number 1. How did early people first make fire? Answer: by rubbing two sticks or two stones together. Question number 2. Why was fire useful? Answer: fire was useful in cooking food, keeping warm, and it kept wild animals away. Question number 3. What tools helped early people to move heavy loads? Answer: logs of wood and lever help early people to move heavy loads. Question number 4. In what ways do we use wheels today? We use wheels today in all vehicles. Question number 5. What were the different ages that early humans lived through? Answer: early humans lived through the different ages. These are as follow: Stone Age, the Bronze Age, the Copper Age, the Iron Age. Students, question number 6 is omitted. So there are only 5 questions in your syllabus. Work page 82. Students, exercise A is not included in your syllabus, so we will start from exercise B. Unscramble these words: bronze, stone, copper, iron. Exercise C. My glossary of early people. Number 1. An anthropologist, a person who studies how people live and behave. Number 2. An archaeologist, a person who studies very old things to find out about the past. Number 3. Dating, the process used to find that age of very old objects. Number 4. The Bronze Age, a period in history when most things were made from bronze. Number 5. The Copper Age, a period in history when most things were made from copper. Number 6. The Iron Age, a period in history when most things were made from iron. People had become quite civilized by the time. Number 7. The Stone Age, a period in history when most things were made from stone. These were the oldest times. I hope you have done your work. Now write this work on your notebooks. You have learned some new words in this lesson. Learn them and also learn their meanings. Take care of yourself. Till next lecture. Allah Hafiz.